If you don't like spending extra cash, you're not alone. Many of us are always on the lookout for the best deals and the most value for our money. Whether it's groceries, gadgets, or even tech upgrades, saving a few bucks here and there can add up over time. But when it comes to technology, especially something as crucial as a CPU, the decision becomes even more significant. But still crave performance? Then stick around, folks. Performance is the name of the game, and who doesn't want their computer to run faster, smoother, and more efficiently? Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves a snappy system, performance upgrades can make a world of difference. We're diving deep into Intel's 14th Gen CPUs. These new processors have been the talk of the town, and for good reason. Intel has been a leader in the CPU market for years, and with each new generation they promise better performance, more features, and improved power efficiency. But how do these claims hold up in the real world? Intel's 14th Gen CPUs are making waves with promises of better performance, power management, and new features. These processors are designed to handle more tasks simultaneously, making them ideal for multitasking. They also boast improved power efficiency, which means they can deliver more performance while consuming less power. This is great news for those who are conscious about their energy consumption, or who want to build a more eco-friendly PC. But are they worth the upgrade? This is the million-dollar question. Upgrading your CPU is not a decision to be taken lightly. It involves not just the cost of the CPU itself, but potentially other components as well. So let's break it down and see if the 14th Gen CPUs are worth your hard-earned money. First, compatibility. These new CPUs might need a motherboard upgrade. This is something you need to consider seriously. If your current motherboard isn't compatible with the new 14th Gen CPUs, you'll need to invest in a new one. This can add to the overall cost of the upgrade. Plus, installing a new motherboard can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. Will your favorite apps run smoothly? Compatibility isn't just about hardware, it's also about software. Will your favorite applications and games run smoothly on the new CPUs? While most modern software should work fine, there can sometimes be issues with older programs or games. It's always a good idea to check for any compatibility issues before making the switch. Next, pricing. These CPUs aren't cheap. Is the performance boost worth the premium price? This is another crucial factor to consider. The 14th Gen CPUs come with a premium price tag. While they promise better performance, you need to ask yourself if the performance boost is worth the extra cost. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to wait for a price drop, or look for deals and discounts, or should you wait for a price drop? Prices for new tech often drop a few months after release. If you're not in a hurry, waiting for a price drop can save you a significant amount of money. Plus, by waiting, you'll also get to see more reviews and user feedback, which can help you make a more informed decision. Performance-wise, Intel claims incredible boosts, but can they deliver in real-world use? This is where things get interesting. Intel's claims are based on controlled tests and benchmarks, but real-world performance can vary. Factors like your specific use case, the other components in your system, and even the software you use can all impact performance. So, while the benchmarks look promising, it's important to consider how the new CPUs will perform in your specific setup. Benchmarks look good, but your everyday experience might vary. Benchmarks are a great way to get an idea of a CPU's performance, but they're not the be-all and end-all. Your everyday experience can be quite different. For example, if you're a gamer, you might not see a huge difference in performance between the 13th and 14th Gen CPUs. But if you're a content creator or someone who does a lot of multitasking, the 14th Gen CPUs could offer a noticeable improvement. For general use, the 13th Gen CPUs are solid. For heavy tasks like video editing, the 14th Gen shines. If you're into video editing, 3D rendering, or other heavy tasks, the 14th Gen CPUs can offer a significant performance boost. These tasks require a lot of processing power, and the new CPUs are designed to handle them more efficiently. So if you're a professional or a serious hobbyist, the upgrade could be worth it. But for gaming, you might find better options. Gamers, on the other hand, might not see as much of a benefit. While the 14th Gen CPUs do offer better performance, the difference might not be as noticeable in most games. Plus, there are other factors to consider, like your GPU and the specific games you play. In some cases, you might be better off investing in a better graphics card or other components. Should you buy now or wait? This is a question only you can answer. It depends on your specific needs, your budget, and how urgently you need the upgrade. If you're happy with your current setup and don't need the extra performance right away, waiting might be the best option. But if you're in need of a performance boost and have the budget for it, the 14th Gen CPUs could be a great investment. If you want the latest and greatest, go for the 14th General. There's always something exciting about having the latest tech. If you're a tech enthusiast or someone who always wants the best, the 14th Gen CPUs are definitely worth considering. They offer the latest features, the best performance, and the most future-proofing. But if you prefer reliable tech, the 13th Gen is a safer bet. The 13th Gen CPUs are still very capable and offer great performance for most tasks. They're also more affordable and have been around long enough that any major issues have likely been ironed out. So if you prefer something tried and tested, the 13th Gen CPUs are a solid choice. That's it, folks. Weigh the risks and benefits, consider your needs, and maybe hold off for more info. Making an informed decision is key. Take your time, do your research, and consider all the factors before making a purchase. And remember, there's always new tech on the horizon, so there's no rush. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments and check out my other videos for more tech insights. Your feedback is valuable and I love hearing from you. Let me know what you think about the 14th Gen CPUs and whether you plan to upgrade. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, tips, and insights. See you in the next video.